two planes colliding in midair and leaving 4 people dead. Here's where it happened, over the desert near New River, about 15 miles northwest of the Deer Valley Airport. That's where we find ABC 15's Mary Ellen Resendez. And Mary Ellen, can you see what's happening at this point in this investigation?
We're pretty far out in the desert, Steve, but we can see exactly what's taking place. Let me show you. You can see Phoenix Police's helicopter just right over the area where these two planes collided in the air and then fell to the ground. We do know that the NTSB is out here along with the FAA, but we haven't heard any word from them as far as what might have happened in this crash. Now, what we do know is that there were 2 bodies. At least one of those planes contained 2 bodies that were both males, but unfortunately the other plane fire crews say it was hard to identify at first how many passengers there were.
We could actually see only one body, and the more we looked, there was actually 2 victims that were burnt up.
So altogether, we know that there were 4 that perished in this collision. A nearby pilot was the first to see the midair collision, and soon calls were just pouring into 911 that 2 planes had collided over the desert near New River. Fire crews say the first plane had exploded on impact and was fully engulfed when they arrived, while the second plane almost appeared to have crash landed.
Plane was pretty much attacked, a lot of damage, but the cockpit area was still intact. There was 2 individuals in that area, so I thought possibly we might have some survivors.
Now, Steve, we are taking action on this and looking further into where these 2 planes came from. We do know that both of them belong to training schools, and we're going to have more on that coming up. Steve?
Yeah, still lots of questions in this one. Thanks so much, Mary Ellen.